format, or the basic look and feel of a paper formatted into APA. An APA paper has 4 basic parts: a title page, an abstract, the main body of your paper, and a references page, in that order. The title page is just what it sounds to be. It's a cover page that includes the full title of your paper, the author's name, which is your name, and your university affiliation, in this case, Concordia University, Wisconsin. This information should be centered about halfway down the page. You will also notice that a completed cover page should include a running head with a shortened title of your paper in the running head. There is also a page number, even on the first page. Although it's included here, for most university classes, you do not need an author's note. The author's note is used when writers send their writing to a publisher, and so they typically include notes from the author, like their department affiliation, the school they're associated with, their address and contact information, in the event that someone is interested in publishing the work in an academic journal. Sometimes, professors at Concordia will ask you to include a plagiarism pledge instead of the author's note. If that's the case, your professor will tell you about that in the class, in a rubric, or in a syllabus. Now we're going to walk you through step by step how to create a cover page in APA format using Microsoft Word 2016. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you're using a 12-point Times New Roman font in black. We're going to first set up our document. Go into the Page Layout tab of Microsoft Word, which will allow you to look at the margins of your paper. We want the margins at 1 inch all the way around the page. Before we even type anything, let's also set up our line spacing options. Go into the Home tab, click on Line Spacing, and click on More Options. In APA format, your paper should be double-spaced throughout. For whatever reason, Microsoft Word oftentimes is preset to have extra spacing between paragraphs. If there is anything other than 0 in these boxes, change them back to 0 now. And press OK. Next, we are going to insert a header. In many of the versions of Microsoft Word, you will go to Insert, Header. However, if you're using a Mac, you may have to go to View, Footer, and Header and insert it there. The very first thing you'll want to do, after you've chosen blank, is click on Different First Page. If we don't click this, then all of our pages will have the same header, with the words running head at the top followed by our title. But as you will see, the words running head are only on the first page. So we want to make sure that this page is different. Right where my cursor is on the left-hand margin, you are going to type the words running head in sentence case, meaning the first word only is capitalized. Follow that up with a colon and then a space. Then type in a shortened title of your paper in all caps. This should be 40 characters or less. Press the Tab key until you are flush with the right margin. And this is where you're going to insert your page number, starting with 1 for the first page. Click out of the heading area by choosing Close or clicking anywhere in your document. And then press the Enter key until you're about 1/3 to 1/2 way down the page. Now you want to center the information you are about to input. You go to the Home tab and press Align Center. This is where you type in the full title of your paper. Press Enter and type in your name. Press Enter again and type in Concordia University, Wisconsin. Congratulations, you just created a title page in APA format.